So today we are going to draw this beautiful half lotus mandala. This mandala might look hectic but it is easy. But if you are absolute beginner, I won't suggest you to draw this one. But you can definitely draw this because I'm going to explain everything in this video. So if you want to continue, then you can draw this mandala. So now let's begin. So we are going to draw this mandala on a horizontal page. So turn your page horizontally and then put your scale like this and then draw a line of 18 centimeter and also mark at 9 centimeter for the center, and then also draw a line from the center like this. Then start drawing some curvy lines like this. If you want, you can also mark for the curvy lines so that it will be similar from both sides. So I am marking around 5.8 centimeter. So mark at 5.8 centimeter at both sides and then draw some curvy lines. So after drawing two curvy lines like this, we are going to draw this line and draw these curvy lines with our pen. And now we will start to draw patterns in these curvy lines. So start by drawing like this. And then to make design in this, draw long petals like this. So start drawing petals like this and we will continue this design like this. Then fill this remaining space. Then draw another curvy line. And we will draw some simple lines in this. Then draw two more curvy lines and darken the outer line. Then grab your compass and pencil and draw a circle of 9 centimeter. Like we have already drawn the line. So just to draw a circle from the center and then we will draw grid. So place your protractor like this on the right angle and mark at 90 degrees. Mark at both sides. So I am marking at 10 degrees. Then grab your scale and start drawing lines for grid. So place your scale like this, like we are connecting the lines to the center and draw lines. So we will complete drawing the grid. Try to draw grid lines perfectly because this helps in drawing uniform patterns. Then draw another curvy line first with pencil and then draw it with pen. After doing all this, we need to start drawing curves like this at the end of the circle to make petals. So use two grid lines like this and start drawing curves to make petals. So you can see that the grid is helping us draw these petals, and I think this is the easiest way to draw petals. You just have to draw some lines and the petal is ready. So we will complete drawing all these petals, then we will continue to draw our mandala. So after drawing all this, mark at 6.5 centimeter and draw a circle. Draw a circle of 6.5 centimeter. Then draw another circle just a little away from the first one. So draw these two circles and then draw both of these with pen. And here is the funny thing. When I started drawing this mandala, I thought to draw it differently, but now it's turning out something else. That's why I've drawn petals, but then I thought the petals are too long to draw patterns. So we are drawing circle to make it a little easier because these petals are too long and it's very difficult to make patterns in this. So after drawing both of these circles, grab your pencil and draw some lotus like this. Start with the center. So I am starting with the center line and draw the petal. Then draw more petals at both sides. So we are going to draw some lotus. So after drawing the lotus, erase the lines inside these petals and then draw this lotus with pen. And then we will also draw two more lotus. After drawing this with pen, make design in petals of both sides. So let's complete this, and after drawing this one we need to draw two more flowers. So start by counting these lines. So draw petals from the fourth line. As I am drawing from the fourth line, and draw some line and dot like this, and we will do the same on other side. So count the fourth line and start drawing the flower from the fourth line. Now we will make this outline a little bold by darkening it. So now darken the outline of all these flowers. After this we will start to draw lines like this. So grab your scale and start drawing lines like this. This makes design look a lot better. So the circle will not be empty like this, and there will still be some designs. So draw lines like this. We are going to draw lines like this in this complete circle. So now let's complete drawing lines in this complete circle. So after drawing lines in this complete circle, we will darken the outline of this circle. Do not fill this circles completely black. Just darken the outline of the first circle. So now this mandala is half completed, and we will start to draw these petals with the pen. So grab your pen and start drawing these petals. So we will start to draw petals and we will draw patterns in these. So first make this petal and then double the lining of the petal. Then make one more line a little away. Then start drawing some small circles like this. After completing this, make one more lining in this petal and then draw pattern. So make patterns like this. Use one side of the petal like this and draw petal. Then start drawing some long petals at another side like this. So fill this complete petal with these petals and then fill the remaining place if there is some place left between two petals like this. After doing this, draw a line and a dot in this. So now this pattern is ready. I'll show you another petal so it will be clear to you to draw these patterns. We are going to use the same pattern in all these petals. So let's see another one. Use the exact same pattern in all these petals. So the mandala is completed now. You can erase extra lines if there are some. So erase these extra lines and our mandala is completed. So this is a very beautiful half lotus mandala and this looks hectic but it's not that difficult to make this. So you can draw this mandala step by step very easily. And if you are a beginner, I have already made a course for beginners. The link of the course is in the description. So if you want to learn mandala step by step from very basic and scratch, you can learn mandala basics and draw mandala from that course. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section and also tell me what kind of tutorial I should make next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.